Welcome to my channel Technical Smart. Hi friends, in this video we are talking about all features of Vivo S1 Prime. This smartphone Vivo S1 Prime has been launched in Myanmar as the latest smartphone, offering from the Chinese company. The smartphone is very similar to the Vivo S1 Pro. If you are first time watching my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on bell icon. Let's start. Talking about its specifications, it features a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 1080 into 2340 pixels resolution. Vivo S1 Prime runs on Android 9 Pie, with Funtouch operating system 9.2 on top. The phone is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665G processor, and the network connectivity option in this phone is 4G LTE. It packs with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and it comes in two color options, Jade Black and Nebula Blue. Speaking of optics, the Vivo S1 Prime sports a diamond-shaped quad rear camera setup that features a 48-megapixel primary sensor camera, an 8-megapixel and ultra-wide-angle lens, and 2-megapixel depth sensors camera, and also 2-megapixel macro lenses. For selfies, comes with a 16-megapixel selfie sensor at the front. The device comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. It consists of 4500 mAh, with Type-C 18 watts fast charger support. Its weight around 191 grams, and it is available at 21,700 rupees for 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The device is already on sale in Myanmar, but no official announcement has yet been made by Vivo regarding its release in India. Don't forget to subscribe channel and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.